I feel tears welling up from down deep inside, like my heart's got a big break, and a stab of loneliness sharp and painful that I may never shake. You might think that I'm taking it hard since you broke me off with a call. You might wait till then I'll hide in sorrow when I'm on the run down and ball. Now the race is on and here comes pride at the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back, trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running, too low to scratch for another sake. The race is on and it looks like heartaches, and the winner loses all. What the final results would be. Now living Bill, waking up each morning and finding that you're gone from me. There's a aching pain in my heart for the name of the one that I hated to face. Somebody else came out to win her, and I came out in second place. Now the race is on and here comes pride of the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back, not to fall. My heart's out of the running, too low to scratch for another sake. The race is on and it looks like heartache, and the winner loses all. The race is on and here comes pride at the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back, trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running, too low to scratch for another sake. The race is on and it looks like heartaches, and the winner loses all. And the race is on and it looks like heartaches, and the winner